So, hello guys. Today we're gonna talk about differential equations. So, before anything else, I want you to pause this video and try this on your own. So, na-try ko na siya i-solve kanina. Sadyang may filming error lang na naganap. Kaya, medyo may nasimula na. But, I'll repeat my explanation about it. So, meron tayong problem dito. X dx plus sine squared quantity y over x multiplied by y dx minus x dy is equals to 0. We set values of y as x and v, and the differential of y is x dv plus v dx. So, since we have that, we have to substitute our known values in this equation. So, ito na yung kinalabasan niya. X dx plus sine squared. Itong y, naging xv. Kaya xv dito. Tapos x. Tapos, ito, y, xv, dx, minus x. dy value is x dv plus v dx. Okay? It's all equals to 0. Okay? So, we can cancel off x here in this part. Okay? So, we have x dx plus sine squared v multiplied by x v dx minus x squared dv plus, minus, should be minus, x v dx is equals to 0. Right? Wait. So, we have that one. So, let's counter check. X dx x squared dv plus minus x v x is equals to 0. So, let's distribute sine squared v. We will have so, that's it. So, para hindi tayo malito, let's rewrite again. Ilalagay ko lang sa unahan yung dalawa, which is the xv, yung minultiply ko. Ay, xv pala. xv sine okay, so as you can see, lahat ito may x, which is like our common variable. So we can divide everyone with x. So we will be left with dx plus x, should be v sine squared v dx minus x sine squared v dv minus v sine squared v dx is equals to 0. So, we have the same one, which is this and this. We can just cancel them out. So, we will be left with dx minus x sine squared v dv is equals to 0. Okay? Then, after that, we can say that dx is equals to x sine squared v dv. So, pag nilipat mo siya in the other side, using APA method, mag-change yung value or yung sign niya, which is from negative, naging positive. So, we could combine all the v's and all the x. So, para magawa yon, i-divide natin both side by x. So, we will have dx over x is equals to sine squared v dv. Okay? As we all know, ang next step to do this is integration. So, basically, the integral of dx over x is just ln of x. Simple. But, with this one, we will try to solve it again. Okay? So, as we all know, using the trigo rules, we know that the value of cosine 2x is equals to 1 minus 2 sine squared x. So, we can say that 2 sine squared x is equals to 1 minus cosine squared x. 1 minus cosine 2x should be 1 minus cosine 2x. Okay. So, since our variable here is v, gagawin natin v. So, we have 2 sine squared v is equals to 1 minus cosine 2v. Divide everything by 2. We have sine 2v is equals to 1 minus cosine 2v. 1 to 1. Cosine 2v all over 2. So, substituting this one to this part, we have integral of 1/2. May 1/2 dito. Since constant naman na, pwede na natin siya ilabas. And then we will have 1 minus cosine 2v dv. Okay? So, let's use u as 2v and our derivative of u will become 2 dv. And our value of dv is equals to du all over 2. So, we will have ln is equals to 1/2 integral of, the integral of 1 is just v, and then I'll delete this one. 1/2, the integral of 1 is just v, and then minus 1/2, the integral of negative cosine u multiplied by du all over 2. So we will have, I should be x here, ln of x is equals to 1/2 v minus, multiply this and this, we will have 1/4 integral of negative cosine u, which will give us an answer of ln of x is equals to 1/2 v minus 1/4 negative sine, which is already here, sine u plus c. The value of our u is 2v, so we will have ln of x is equals to 1/2 v minus 1/4 sine u plus 2v, should be 2v, substituted already, plus c. Okay? So, we can put the c on the other side. So, we have ln x minus c is equals to 1/2 v minus 1/4 sine 2v. Okay? C is just constant. So, we can just simplify this one by adding ln to the c. Hindi naman makaka-apekto yung value ng c kapag nilagyan natin ng ln. Kaya, it can be used as as like that. Pero pwede rin ng hindi. Though the answer will be just the same. But I'm just following the answer of the book kasi ganito yung ginawa nila. So ln x minus ln of c, basically the answer it is tantamount to ln x all over c is equals to 1/2 v minus 1/4 sine 2v. And then the next thing to do is substitute the values of v. As we all know, v is equals to wait. Let me explain. We have the value of y is equals to xv. So the value of v, we're finding the value of v so that we can substitute it here. So we will have y over x. So with that, we will substitute our v values here. Okay? So as I said earlier, v is equals to y over x. And our answer now is ln x all over c is equals to 1/2 v minus 1/4 sine 2v. 1/4 sine 2v, right? Okay, so we have that one. So let's substitute the value. We have ln x all over c is equals to 1/2 multiplied by y over x minus 1/4 sine 2 multiplied by y over x. So what we can do here is simply simplify it by multiplying for x. So we will have here 4x ln x all over c is equals to 1. This will become cancel. 4 divided by 2, we will have 2y minus, in this part, 1/4 will be cancelled, with the x will remain, so we have x sine 2 y over x. So that is our answer. So this is our final answer, guys. I hope you take time to review and practice questions like this. And then I hope you like the video. Please do like, subscribe, and click the notification bell for more videos about this topic. Thank you very much for listening. I hope you have a good day. Thank you.